with pesto sauce,
Oh,
which is a typical dish from Genoa, from the northwest of Italy. And we will do the pesto sauce together.
so we need to cook the pasta first.
Okay, we need to cook the pasta, so we have
salt.
boiling water with a little bit of salt, a little bit more.
Oh,
More, no?
more.
Not too much.
You say more.
Okay, it need to
Okay.
be slightly salted because the pesto has already Parmesan cheese inside, so it's naturally salted.
How many
Okay, 100
grams?
grams, 100 to 120 grams of pasta,
Say again.
100 to 120 grams.
Okay. 110. 50.
Okay, very good.
20.
That's enough. Okay, so for the purpose of the show, we just pre-cook already the pasta because this pasta takes 15 minutes to cook. So we pre-cook it a little bit. Okay, first of all, we never.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't trust the chef. The skinny chef. When you buy the pasta, here on the back, everything is explained. 10, 11 minutes. Big one. You see?
But this pasta, this is different.
Ah.
This linguine,
This is
is
okay.
a small pasta,
apologize. You're right.
right?
Okay.
Okay, so
Pasta boiling, no boiling. Pasta boiling somewhere.
meantime, we prepare the pesto sauce. We have the basil leaves, we have the pine nuts, we have the walnuts, we have the garlic, Parmesan cheese.
Why I've been around the garden, I never find something to cover this pot. Why?
But these are strange things that I still have to understand. In the galley, in the ship, we don't have lids.
No?
No, we don't have lids. We have only pots. They come without lids.
So maybe for safety reasons.
Yes, safety is of course. Because if you cover, then it can.
When boiling the
If
water,
unattended can blow up. Or,
if somebody don't pay attention, take the lid up and then all the boiling can. I believe. But
yeah.
I'm
No, no.
still-
Everything here has a safety reason
Exactly.
on the ship.
But I need to Google tonight.
You don't trust me?
No.
All right.
All right.
We make the pesto sauce with 200 grams of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Okay, extra virgin olive oil.
You must be joking.
No, from bird seeds.
No. Not extra virgin. The bottle is already open. A long time ago.
Ah, come on, man. This kids.
What do you think?
I read the label. Okay, the
Yeah.
label says extra virgin.
Extra virgin is the first press of the olives. With the bottle closed, not open. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you have this
All right,
is
so
what?
200 grams. This is basil.
Ah, finally.
Boy.
Last week you bring spinach, nobody make a difference.
It's not true.
Have to watch you do.
All right, so 200 grams of olive oil, 200 grams of basil leaves, 10 grams of pine nuts, toasted,
Roasted?
yes.
Toasted.
So
Walnuts?
walnuts, another 10 grams.
Toasted?
No,
No.
natural. Parmesan cheese, 3 big spoons. Make it 4. All right. Parmesan is very good. And 1 garlic cloves.
3.
Why 3?
I like it.
Okay, that's 3.
Garlic is healthy.
3 small.
But 3 big.
All right. Okay, at this point,
Never listen to me. Boiling.
okay, so nowadays we use a blender. In the past, the original recipe was done with a marble container with a marble stick. The grandmother was beating it for 1 hour until it's become a cream. So now we have a blender.
My
It's
friend.
much faster.
That's
I'm talking about your times.
That's understand. That was before the Amazon come. When Amazon come, $10 you buy blender.
All right.
All right.
Tell me where I'm gonna buy more.
Why you check the blender? I don't understand. Hey,
to make it faster.
no? You're gonna damage the blender. You
All
see?
right.
The blender is, look, don't need to, don't believe me,
Okay.
it's the first time you use the blender for sure.
Before the blade catches up the leaves, I shake it a little bit. No?
Oh,
Look
beautiful
at the color.
color.
Nice.
Wow.
Smells amazing. Okay,
All
we
right.
put it on the side. Okay. The original recipe require red bliss potatoes and string beans. The red bliss potatoes are previously cooked and sliced with the skin. So we place a little bit of olive oil on the pan. The red bliss potatoes. So the intention is just to make it warm, to make sure that when we add the pasta, everything maintain the temperature. And at the end, when we add the pesto sauce, we remove it from the heat because we don't want to reheat the pesto sauce. It's gonna change the color, it's gonna change the texture, the flavor, if it cooks. So the pesto is a sauce that needs to be served at a room temperature, usually.
Yes.
Okay, how's the pasta? It's cooked?
Let's see.
Should be cooked by now, eh?
You think so?
Yes.
I don't know.
Let me
Let's
try.
see.
Oh my!
It's not cooked. If it's cooked, stick in wall. If it's hollow down, it's not cooked.
That's why your wife sent you 45 years at sea. Don't do that. We have enough.
We don't waste the food.
No. We don't do this in the
We
garden.
sanitize. Ready to eat.
Is that how you do in Portugal?
Ready to eat, sir.
Ay, ay, ay.
Everything is sanitized.
I believe so.
Give
No
it a
doubt
pan.
about it. Alright, so from the pot to the pan, a little bit more, and a little bit of cooking water. A little bit more. More. Alright, so the reason why we keep a little bit of the cooking water is that we finish to cook the pasta in the pan, and the cooking water has a lot of starch in it, and it helps to bind all the ingredients together. All right. At this point, when you start to
No. What was another artist there?
Oh. Okay, so remove from the heat, and we add the pesto sauce. Three big spoons of pesto sauce. We stir it fast, and we go directly to the plate. So this is the way we plate every single dish in the dining room with the help of a spoon. You can twist the linguine like this, so you have also a perfect portion, and you place it in the center of the dish. Okay, you can add a little bit more if you want on top. All right. The red bliss potatoes on the side.
Wait,
What happened?
this one was on the floor.
Right, we add some
Thank
of the
you.
string beans as a decoration on top.
And clean the mess of the chef.
I haven't finished. Some cherry tomatoes all around that's been previously peeled. And the tomato sauce.
Ketchup.
No, tomato sauce. A few spots of tomato sauce as a decoration.
It's the same, no?
To give some color. No, it's not the same.
Ketchup is the tomato sauce.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Dai, Parmesan cheese.
Wait. Wait. This is my job.
All right. Your job.
Everybody have one of those in home? Yes? So when you grate the cheese, this is the really one, the cheese remains inside of these small holes, which is very difficult to wash. Is true? But if you keep this on the fridge, nice and cold, when you grate the cheese doesn't remain inside of the holes. Very easy to wash. Thank you. Otherwise, do it like this. Ladies and gentlemen, linguini al pesto, beautiful dish, very easy to make. Look at this. Chef is an artist. Make a nice decoration. Okay.